Don't you just hate when it's 120 degrees outside or minus 120 degrees outside? Walk out to your truck, let it warm up, and it gives you this?
Nothing? Absolutely nothing? Well, Derelict Diesel is going to be helping y'all solve this problem on your 1999 to 2004 F250, F350. Mine's a 7.3. I'm sure it might go all the way into the 6.0s. I don't know, don't quote me on that, but we're going to be fixing that today, hopefully.
Step number 1, grab you a cold one.
Just kidding.
Step number 2, grab your parts.
Step number 3, open your cold one. Rudely interrupt the wedding going on across the street. Yeah, I think we got that one pretty well covered. Install all of your parts. Done. Alright, enough of the horseplay. So if you're here, your blower motor has gone out. I'm also going to be tackling the problem where your selector switch for your fan speed isn't working. That's actually a resistor that we're going to be replacing as well. So I'm going to replace the resistor. I'd highly suggest getting the plug as well. It's like an extra $4, $5. And off Amazon, of course. I'll link all the things that I'm using today in the description besides the tools. Those are mostly Snap-on because I work for a living. So we're going to be replacing the resistor, the blower motor, and that little plug. It likes to get corroded and whatnot. You know how electricity and shit works, right? Anyways, ain't nothing to it but to just do it. Right, we're going to be taking this here vacuum pump right here. We're going to be taking it loose and kind of moving it out the way so that we can work with our blower motor here. So it's a 10 mil. And there's one bolt that's exactly right here, and then there's another one right next to it down here. It can be challenging to get to, but a U-joint and an extension, it ain't nothing. So we just blast those out real quick. Now that you have all that nonsense out of the way, let's work on getting that blower motor out. God, I hope it's not this cramped to get back in. Jesus Christ. We've got this little doodad. It needs to go on the new one. Alright, so there's a hole back here. It just kind of plugs on in. You get the deal. This does come with a gasket. Alright, it's straight up off of Amazon, like the top selling one. Same deal with this resistor right here. And simple as that. We're just gonna throw it in, reverse process. Let's go.
2 hours later.
Now that you've said every cuss word known in existence at least 3 times, she's in! Just the dang motor though, so there's no kidding. Live action. Yee. Let's buckle up, ladies and germs. We got the dang on truck on. It's not running. We're off. Let's see. Oh! Whoa! Yes, he's running good, man. And it's not even squeaking anymore. God, that was the most annoying thing. It's like some squeal going on. Probably just like the motor dying. Be a good old blowy. Right, so right there. That's going to be that resistor. You just need to unplug it. There's an 8 mil bolt right here, and there's one on the bottom. Go ahead and take those out.
I'm a little bit worried about this plug being seized up, so I'm gonna see, because I have a U-joint, couple extensions. I'm gonna see if I can get the actual resistor out and then unplug it so I don't damage the wires. I'm not able to replace them as of right now, but I do have a new plug for it. Like I said, it's like $7. They get all shitty. I mean, this thing's, you know, 20 years old. I don't expect the plastic to be in the best of condition. I just don't want to break it, you know what I'm saying? So let's get that sucker out, replace it, and see if our little switch works now. Right, well this just confirms it. Broke both the clips off. Yes, they have clips on both sides. Broke this thing the rest of the way just to get it out. Look at that rust in there. It was rust welded in there. There is no way in hell you're peeling back both these tabs and pulling this thing off without a fight. So it is absolutely incredibly important you get another plug. Since I'm a derelict degenerate, I'm gonna just slap the new one in for now till I bring home the right tools to conduct said maintenance on this plug here. 'Cause I did get a new one. She's right here. There she is. Oh yeah, butt connectors and everything. I'd like to do this job right so I don't have to worry about it again. But I mean, take your chances. Alright, there's just no way this wasn't going to happen without this extended flex head 1/4 inch.
This right here is going to be the real moment of truth. Our vacuum pump's hooked back up. That's good. All right. Full blast. Oh! We're back to working as we should, ladies and gents. All right, let's clean up our tools and have us another cold one. See you next time. Oh, and before I go, 99.1% of you aren't subscribed to the channel but watch my videos. It's free! There's nothing in life free but this one thing. Maybe a couple others besides... the old lady. That's fucking free! Just do it! Come on, man. I put out solid stuff.